Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me here on First Class Cook. I know this looks so delicious, so come on and let me show you how to make some sweet pancakes. All right, so after we've mixed all our ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and take out our pan, put some butter in that pan, okay, and pour that pancake mix, pour it all up in that pan. Make sure, all right, that before you turn the pancakes, make sure that you see bubbles. If you don't see bubbles, it's not time to turn it yet, all right. Now that our pancake is ready, we're going to go ahead and pour half a cup of brown sugar, as well as drizzle some freshly squeezed orange juices in our mix. And we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of orange zest, which is the outer layer of the orange. All right. Now, guys, we're going to let this sit for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our folded pancakes, all right, and we're going to let this sit within our mixture on low heat for a total of 5 minutes, guys. And after 5 minutes, you will literally be in awe of how delicious this thing is. All right, so allowing this pancake to sit in this sugar and in this goodness, it's literally going to crystallize the layer, the lower layer of the pancake, guys. Wow, so guys, this is our final product. I stacked it up literally and added some fruits. Go ahead and be creative with this. Thank you guys so much for joining me here on First Class Cook. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Until next time, see you again.